As someone who once lived in a bedroom without its own door to slam shut, we know firsthand how transformative a room divider can be. We used an antique folding screen to create just a tad of privacy, but there are also tons of other designer solutions, from flex walls to interior glass partitions and more. Plus, aside from being functional, room partitions, folding screens, and separators can also introduce texture, dimension, and color. 1. Build a partial glass wall. This guest bedroom features glass separators extending between the partial wall up to the ceiling so that it feels somewhat private and distinct from the rest of the home while letting in natural light. 2. Opt for pocket doors. We made this home library extra cozy by closing it off from the nearby sitting room. A pocket door allows for privacy while the deep Hague blue walls and tinted ceiling give it a distinct personality from the adjacent rooms. 3. Bring the outside in. An indoor trellis is the perfect room divider between the sunroom and sitting area in this home designed. It ties the greenery and decor scheme together seamlessly. 4. Match the ceiling. The cream walls are the perfect off-white tone to complement the warm marigold ceiling in this living room. Instead of painting the walls the same color, which may feel like too much of a commitment or simply be too bold, opt for a vintage screen that features it. 5. Hide unsightly essentials. A blush pink upholstered folding screen in this living room is cleverly disguising an exposed pipe while also bringing in a nice sense of dimension and depth by the cozy window nook. Whether it's random household supplies or an architectural quirk like a door to nowhere that throws off the layout, a strategically placed folding screen is a sneaky, stylish way to hide it. 6. Put art on the divider. Soft, organic curves give this corner screen an easy elegance. For an extra punch of character and style, the artwork is secured directly to the screen instead of the wall. It's offbeat and unique without being too visually domineering. That's all for now. Don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.